Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get Chase Bank credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you are logged in. Card issuers are interested in getting a full picture of your financial health. Most credit card applications require your full legal name, your SSN or ITIN number, your street address, your gross annual income, your employment status, your housing cost, and your phone number. So how to apply for it? Simply submit your application. You can submit your application online, in person, or over the phone. Online application typically takes the shortest amount of the time to receive a response. Sometimes it's within a second. When you apply online, be sure you have a stable and secure internet or Wi-Fi connection. You can apply using a laptop, desktop, computer, or your smartphone. That's how you can get Chase Bank credit card. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.